really think it's corny. These are iron-ons, but these are the kind of iron-ons that you have to cut out, because if you don't, it's going to print. And I could cut it in half, of course, but it's going to print all this. All of this is going to print on your garment, and I don't like that. So I haven't been using these. Can you guys see that? Yeah, it's reversed. Good. It says love, generous, belief, trust, intimate, and LGBTO, acceptance. That is so corny. I love the heart though. I made that. That is off the hinges to me. I like that. I don't like the, I'm not in love with the text though. Anyways. Here is the fabric, so I'm going to try it on the fabric. And these also have to be cut out. Uh-oh. I'm getting a message on my printer. So, I think this is fusible cotton, tote bag, fusible computer, household iron, heat resistant iron. Do not use glass or heat sensitive surface. Create your imprinted test page on a piece of fabric. Insert a single fusible cotton fabric sheet in printer so that the printing occurs on the fabric, not the fusible shiny side of the sheet. So shiny side up, because my printer is print side down. So, not the fusible shiny side. This is another one I don't use because you have to cut everything out, and I don't want to have to cut everything out. I want the heat transfers where you print the image on a medium, and it just transfers the image medium to the fabric and doesn't transfer all of this stuff. Shiny side up, print side down. Ta-da! So it works fine on the fusible. These are expensive. It works fine on there, but on the fabric, there's something going on. Maybe it was the tape, because like I said, the woman on Mood on Instagram, she used painter's tape. I used packing tape, and I ironed the fabric. It looks like it may have caught up or doubled up or something. So, and the ink went right through. So, anyways, it worked there. That's my image. But now I have to cut it out if I want to use it. And I probably would cut like anywhere from 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch. More than likely, 1/4 of an inch or 3/8 of an inch and folded under with scoring to hit the corners and the curves. But I think it's pretty cool. It's just something I made. See you in the next video.